welcome back to another lesson with Teacher Rosie. Okay, today we have got alphabet sounds of K until O. So we've got another 5 alphabet sounds again today. Okay, so let's start with our first sound today. Our first letter is, what is a letter? It is letter K. Very good. It is letter K. What sound does K make? K. 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 Very good. How do we write the letter K? Start from the top, down, up, down, down, up, down. Small K. Down, up, down. We can see that the letter K, the big letter and the small letter, they are both the same shape. So one is big and one is small, but they are both the same. Okay, so this is letter K. 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 Okay. Our second letter today is letter, what letter? L. Very good. What sound does L make? L, L, L. Your tongue goes up at the root of the mouth. L, L, L. Okay, how do we write the letter L? Big letter, down, across, down, across. Small letter, down, around, down, around. Okay, so we've got big L and small L. L. Our next letter is letter, what letter? M. M. Okay, so the letter M. Start from the top. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Very good. Small M, down, up, around, up, around. Down, up, around, up, around. Very good. Okay, what letter? M. Our next letter is letter N. 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 Very good. Start from the top. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Small N. Down, up, around, down, up, around. Okay, letter N. Our last letter is letter O. 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 O and O. Big O, small O. They are the same. One is big, one is small. Start from the top, and which way do we go? This way or this way? We go clockwise. We go this way. Around, around. Small O, around, around. Okay, so these are our 5 letters that we have got today. Okay, so now we're going to practice writing by ourselves. Are you ready? Okay, the letter K. What sound? K. Very good. Okay, take your finger. Let's start from the top. We go down, up, down, down, up, down. Small K. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Small K. Okay, bye-bye K. And the next one is L. Very good. What sound? L. Good. Okay, how do we write the letter L? Take your finger. down, across, down, across, small L, down, around, down, around. Good. Letter L. The next one is letter M. What sound? M. Very good. Okay, let's start with M. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Big M, small m. Down, up, around, down, up, around, down. Again. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, M. Bye-bye, M. Erase. The next one is N. N. Very good. Okay, how do we write the letter N? Start from the top. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay, big N. Down, up, around, down, up, around. Good. Bye-bye, N. The next one is O. What sound? O. Very good. Start from the top. Around, around. Small O. Around, around. Very good. Okay, so let's go through our sounds again. Now, what letter? What sound? K. K. Very good. What letter? L. What sound? K. What letter? M. What sound? M. What letter? N. What sound? N. What letter? O. What sound? O. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to go through our vocabulary that matches each sound. Okay. Our first vocabulary that we're going to find today is with... Okay, so now let's go through our vocabulary that has got the K sound at the beginning. K sound at the beginning. Okay, listen carefully. We've got K-E, key, which has got the K sound at the beginning. K-ite, kite. Goose, goose. K-ing, king. K-itchin, kitchen. G-aim, game. K-ick, kick. J-ump, jump. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Okay, are you ready? Let's find the K sound at the beginning. Kite. Yes. Let's put a circle there. Oops. Goose. No, let's put a cross. King. Yes. Let's put a circle. Kitchen. Yes. Game. No. Kick. Kick the ball. Yes. Jump. No. Kangaroo. Yes. Okay, so let's go through our vocabulary that has got K. Kite. You repeat. King. Kitchen. Kick. Kangaroo. And key, a door key. Okay, let's open the door with a key. Very good. Okay, so let's go through our next sound. Our next sound is L. Okay, so what's this? It is a lock. We lock the door with a lock, a padlock. Okay, so let's go through the vocabulary that has got L at the beginning. N-ine, nine. L-ion, lion. L-ime, lime. L-egg, leg. L-adder, ladder. R-obot, robot. A-apple, apple. Okay, let's go through and find the L vocabulary. Nine. Has it got the L? No. Let's put a cross. Lion. Yes. Lime. Yes. Leg. Yes. Ladder. Yes. Robot. No. Apple. No. Okay, our next letter is letter M. Very good. M makes a sound M. M. Okay, and what have we got here? We have got a monkey. Very good. Okay, so let's go through which vocabulary has got the sound M. Okay. M-ilk, milk. M-oon, moon. P-en, pen. Apple, apple. M-ouse, mouse. M-op, mop. B-oy, boy. N-est, nest. Okay, which one has got the sound M? Okay, let's start. Milk. Yes, let's put a circle there. Moon. Yes. Pen. No. Apple. No. Mouse. Yes. Mop. Yes. Boy. No. Nest. No. Okay, so let's go through the vocabulary again. Repeat after teacher. Milk. Moon. Mouse. And monkey. Okay, so we've got M. Very good. Next one is N. Okay, so the next one is the N sound. What sound does N make? N. Very good. Okay, listen again for the vocabulary. N-et, net. N-erse, nurse. D-esk, desk. S-ock, sock. M-anky, monkey. M-an, man. N-est, nest. N-ine, nine. Okay, so here we have got the N sound. And what starts with the letter N? Nut. Okay, so let's go again. Nine. Does it have N? Yes, let's put a circle. Net. Yes. Nurse. Yes. Desk. No. Sock. No. Monkey. No. Man. No. Nest. Yes. Okay, so let's go through the vocabulary. We have got nest, 9, net, nurse, and nut. Okay, so these are all the n sounds. The last one is the O sound. We've got the letter O with the sound O. Okay. O for ox. Ox. Okay. D ot. Dot. A axe. Axe. B ox. Box. Squirrel. Squirrel. A apple. Apple. O octopus. Octopus. L ock. Lock. A ant. Ant. Okay, let's find the words that have got the O sound. Dot. No. Axe. No. Box. No. Squirrel. No. Apple. No. Octopus. Yes. Lock. No. Ant. No. So we've got octopus and ox. Okay, so that is our O sound. Okay, so let's recap our sounds today. We have got the first letter is cake, L, M, N, and O. Okay, so our 5 alphabet sounds today are cake, L, M, N, O. Okay, teacher wants you to recap, revise, and remember your vocabulary. Okay, see you next lesson. Bye bye.